Namaste, welcome to TK Shots. I'm Deepthi Koppa and this is my kitchen. Short videos can be infectious, so come, let's make some memories. An evening with your friends or a day just by yourself, you can get no better companion than a cup of chai. Today we're going to make that very chai but with a hint of masala, so let's get started. COVID taught us a lot of lessons, but most importantly, it taught us cleanliness is godliness, health is wealth, immunity is the biggest power you can have. So with that, let's say cheers to healthy life. Have you not subscribed yet? Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until next time we meet, stay safe. Bye-bye.